What is up, guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today I've got something different, but kind of the same. These are the FLYPODs by a company called Enomir. Just a heads up though, these were sent out to me by Enomir to try out, so big thank you to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated, but as always, this is an independent review. They have no say in this video. If there's anything I dislike, I will let you know. Inside the box, you get an instruction manual, a charging cable, that's a USB-A to USB-C, extra ear tips, small, medium, large, medium installed from the factory, and then you get the case and the earbuds inside. The earbuds come in 3 colorways, black, blue, and champagne. The build quality seems to be decent. The earbuds are made out of a hard plastic that is smooth to the touch. The case is a clamshell design that is magnetic, providing a nice secure place to keep the earbuds. I love how the case has a battery meter for each buds, giving you an easy way to tell how much battery life you have left. Speaking of battery life, 2 hours will give you a full charge and up to 7 hours of playtime. And when recharging with the case, it offers you an additional 42 hours, giving you close to 50 hours of total playtime. I think that's awesome. The earbuds are IPX5 water resistant, so no problem taking these to the gym and getting some sweat on them, or if you're out and about and you get caught out in the rain, you won't have any issues. So the earbuds are Bluetooth 5.1 with automatic pairing and up to 15 meters or about 50 feet of transmission. It uses SBC and AAC codecs to offer high quality sound. And when gaming with these, there's no lag, no latency issues, everything syncs up perfect. There's no dedicated game mode, so I don't know how these are going to be for, say, FPS shooters, but for casual gaming, these are fine. Fitment on these are great. I don't have any hot spots when I'm wearing these in my ear. There's no numbness or anything like that. Everything just fits nice and good. The stem on these are a little longer than I'd like, but not really a big deal. Now, as far as sound goes on these sound nice and smooth. Not too bass heavy, more balanced and clear. I think they are great for watching movies or YouTube. As always though, make sure you test out each ear tip for the best fitment to your ears, because that plays a big role on sound quality. Now let's pair these up with my phone. Make sure you have Bluetooth on your phone, have the earbuds nearby, take one out of the case, and your phone should see it. Once it sees it, hit connect and you're paired. Now anytime you want to use them, put them in your ear and they'll automatically connect. And before I forget, let's do a quick mic check. Hey, what's up guys? John here at Tekmogo doing a quick mic check on the Enomir FLYPODs, true wireless earbuds. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think they sound great. So I've had these earbuds for about a week and a half now, and so far so good. They seem to be built as good as any other earbud in the $30 to $40 price range. They fit great, they sound great, and I don't have anything negative to say about them. If you're in the market for some earbuds that won't break the bank, these might be some to look into. I'll put links in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. That's very much appreciated. And if you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.